Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and change your profile picture on Google Classroom. So I'll first open Google Classroom, so I'll click on this icon for Google Apps, scroll all the way down and click on Classroom, or you could also use this URL right here. Now, all you need to do is come here, right, and click on this at the top right, click on Manage Your Google Account, okay? So we will have to change our profile picture right here. So I can click here. So if I just tap on that, I'm able to add a profile picture. As you can see, just click on this option right here. And you can choose from one of these illustrations, one of these images, or what you can do is come here and upload one from your computer. So you can drag and drop or take a picture right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop. So I'll actually use this one right here. And of course, you can even click on this to access the File Explorer and browse through like that, okay? So it's currently uploading, and you can go ahead and crop and rotate it as you see fit. And when you're happy with it, you can just come here and click on Next. And there you go. This is what your profile picture will be visible like to anyone. And of course, you can go ahead and change the settings so only people you interact with can see your profile picture. You can choose that option if you would like. I'll keep it at this. And then I'll go ahead and save this as my profile picture. Okay. Now, if I come back to Google Classroom, I can close this one. All right. So let me go back to Google Classroom right here. And then if I click on people, okay. So it's currently still initializing. So wait for that. But if I go back, all right, there we go. This is our profile picture. It's changed. It's really that easy and simple.